Hello everyone, welcome back to this graphic design course. So we are kicking off with understanding the platform so that we can navigate through it whenever we log in. So this is the menu tab. You can open the menu and can close the menu. This is the settings tab, and this is the download tab. That's if you want to download the app on your laptop. This is projects. This is the place you see the various work you have done using your account. And we have the templates. This template is like a compilation of people's works, like other graphic designers' work. So you can actually use their template, modify them to your taste, and then publish. So this is the best feature of this platform, whereby you can get multiple ideas and designs, and you can actually use someone else's idea to create something for yourself. So as you can see here, you have various categories of templates. You have business, social media, video, marketing, custom prints, cards, education. So this is like the best thing about this platform. Then there is another thing I want to show you guys. This plans and pricing. For this course, I'm going to be using the free plan, but the disadvantage of using a free plan is that you won't have access to some materials during design. I will show you that later when we start designing. Well, this free plan, they said, is for anyone wanting to design anything on your own or with others, and it's free forever. So they don't price you for this free plan, just have a little restriction. But this pro plan is for individuals wanting to access unlimited access to premium content and design tools. That's if you want to use the whole materials. Then this teams is for team of all sizes wanting to create works together with premium working place and brand tools. That's if you have a company or if you have a team working on a project, you can invite them to this plan. Then you have like a workspace where you can converse and work together at the same time. So that's it for the plan. I will show you that more when we start designing. Then if you want to start designing, you have to decide what you want to design, whether it's a document or a plain document, a presentation, social media, or a video, or a website content. So if you want to design all this, you can just see the samples so you understand what it's about. This is a logo, this is a Facebook post, this is a flyer design. Once you are done with this training, you're going to know how to design at least any of these design, except the video aspect, because that's another complication. So we're going to kick off with the design dashboard.